I have been counting the days until we could head out in the Beaver and go somewhere on a new adventure. And being a sometimer means that we stay home and we do stuff at home whenever we want, and when we're ready we wait for a window in the weather
and we go.
And it's finally here. So we've been home because I like to be home for Christmas, and well, you like to go sledding. And so he's been sledding lots, and the weather has finally gotten colder instead of wetter, which has made the roads dry.
It's really opportune time for two things. It snowed all week. It's now clear and cold. It would be perfect for snowmobiling today.
Which I'm sure a lot of people will enjoy.
But it's also perfect to leave because the roads are actually dry.
Yeah.
So that's what we're going to do today.
So that means no salt on the road,
Yeah.
which our road is notorious for. So it's colder, which also means we need to get moving, keep tight, stay warm. So we've got some chores to do in Kamloops. Of course, we don't pull a toad, so we take the beeve through town and do all our chores. Then we're going to take the lower road through the Fraser Canyon to Vancouver. Because the Coke's always closed.
Yeah, the Coke's been closed a couple times this week due to snow.
Just because it's heavy snow up there. So we'll take that route. We'll get to Vancouver tonight.
Courtney's coming over from the island tonight.
Right. And we're going to hang out with her for the weekend. And then we're going to go back to Victoria with her, but not the Beaver. Just in her car. We'll go back to Victoria. We'll hang out there for a few days. Come back and pick up the Beaver. And
then we're gone.
We're going south. We're going to go down the Oregon coast and hope that the weather stays behind us.
Yeah.
And we can just move to beautiful sunny skies and ocean breezes and head down to the sun.
Magical, mystical places.
And that's our adventure. So stick with us. We'll show you what we're doing along the way. And I think there might even be an RV show in there someplace.
Oh yeah, you were going to do some reviews, right?
I'm excited about that. I'm excited about all the parts because this is just what we love to do.
All right. Sledders.
Which is a huge crevasse in the rocks where the river runs through. And the salmon actually swim up this to get to their spawning grounds at our house. From here, you can see the buildings way down there. And that's the little tram thing there. That takes you down. having?
Crab.
Crabbies. Round one of crabbies.
Looks good.
Mm-hmm.
You're up. Okay, first bite. First bite. We'll see if it's any good. Alright, Dad, have a bite. There we go. Ready?
Ready.
So
Let's go catch the bus.
we're going to catch the bus to get back to the beeve. And
Get to the ferry to get to a rental car to get to
yeah, so this is us using public transit because Courtney's already gone to work.
There we are.
We made it
First
to the bus
leg of our
stop.
trip. It's exciting. I haven't taken a bus with luggage.
No, we have not. Ferry's arrived in Tsawwassen, and we are walking off to find the rental car company who's coming to pick us up. So how much are they?
It's between 50 and 60 all in, with taxes and everything.
For a full day.
For 24 hours, yeah.
And they pick us up here at the ferry.
So if you're only here for a day, it'll be cheaper than bringing your car over.
Yeah.
And it sounds like they pick you up here, and then probably drop you off here.
So just 5 initials along here and 1 autograph at the bottom. There, sir. And this is your grand total, the 5906. Alright, gonna give you the keys there.
You're very close.
Yeah. I was really close on the other side too, though.